What up, it's Dirty Dan, the Man, and I'm back with another video. So I ended up putting a new paddle shifter in, but for some reason it's not reading it. So now I already disconnected the battery, so now I have to remove the steering wheel once again, because I had done it yesterday. I recorded some parts of the video, but I didn't finish. So you're going to be using a, let's see, I bought this at Harbor Freight, and now I gotta look for what I was using. So it's a size 25, even though online it says size 27. For some reason the size 27 is not working. This has to be one of the least things I ever want to do again. Because you can't really see, so you just have to feel for it. And it's annoying. Let's see how it goes this time. There's no power stick when it's off, when it's dead, so. Once again, I forgot to bring my GoPro. So now I have taken it off. So you could either disconnect this, but I don't think I'm going to. So the paddle shifter on the left was just one connection. The other one's for the steering wheel. So it's right here, the one that doesn't work again. So I don't know what size this is. So you're just gonna unscrew this. Once again, I forgot the size. Make sure you don't lose this. So you're still gonna unscrew it more. So now you can disconnect the paddle shifter from here. Now I lost the other thing. Well, it's on the floor. So you just take it out like this. So this is the one I got, which still looks like it was broken at one point because there's glue, and this is mine. So mine's just completely cracked. I have a mess in the car. So So this one's also looks like it's cracked. But it was taped, or it was glued, I mean. It doesn't click like this one. So I bought these on offer because brand new, they're really expensive. So he has another one here. He has the downshift one. The downshift one works. It clicks like it's supposed to. This one doesn't. But I don't need downshift. And he has another one down. It also works fine. And then the one that I need, which is up, it's all in pieces. I don't know how to build this. So I was thinking maybe I could change the housing, but that's gonna be hard. I don't know how to do that. So both of the down ones are good. Just the up one doesn't work either. Or like mine. Mine's just completely cracked. And his has glue on it, the one that I bought. When I had it over there, I felt like it was clicking good. Here, it's not even clicking at all. I don't think the whatever it's supposed to touch is not touching. It's supposed to go on this top one right here. You just put this little thing in through here and then connect it right here. And yes, the battery is disconnected. So let me put this back in and then we'll see from there. Looking for oh shit, a up paddle shifter. I'll probably just buy a new one then. Make sure that when you're doing this, you don't lose the inside of the paddle shifter. This is what holds in the paddle shifter through the steering wheel. So make sure you guys don't lose this. Put it away. I'm so unorganized. Oh shit. I'm gonna put the steering wheel back in. Or the airbag back in. So it's not a difficult job, but because you're not looking at what you're doing, you're just kind of like feeling for it. It makes it hard. But believe it or not, yesterday it took like 5 hours trying to do this. And now that I'm doing it right now, it feels like a piece of cake. So I would say when you're doing this, don't tighten both of them like one at a time. Try to do them together. I forgot to show this part in the video. I'll circle it. So right here is where you're gonna put the screws or to take off the steering wheel. Here, and then I'll just circle it right here. So it's gonna be 2. Then you're gonna remove this. And this is what the back of where the paddle shifter goes looks like. I forgot to record it when I was doing this process. Well, what I noticed when I started editing, I noticed that I didn't even say where to put the screwdriver to take off the airbag. But yeah, that's gonna be it. So right there, I'll circle them so you can see, and it's gonna be a size 25, but online says 27 for the S550, but I was thinking it's the same thing, but it's gonna be a torque bit 25. So that's it. Peace out, subscribe, and thank you for all the people that have been subscribing and supporting the channel. Peace.